Hey, it's Rennie. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make a beautiful canvas painting with the help of your Cricut. I'm going to apply a piece of copy paper right onto my light grip mat. Since I'm going to have my Cricut draw and then cut, in clamp B I have my fine point blade loaded, so in clamp A I'm going to install my Infusible Ink marker. Just go ahead and load my mat. I'm going to go ahead and preheat my Easy Press to 385 degrees Fahrenheit, and then I will press my canvas for 40 seconds. While my Easy Press is preheating, I'm going to get my canvas set up. So I'm just going to flip my mat upside down here to remove this. Going to apply my Infusible Ink face down onto the canvas. And then you'll want to take some heat-resistant tape to secure your paper in place. Okay, now I'm ready to press this. I'm going to place this sheet of butcher paper over my canvas to protect it. I'm going to press this for 40 seconds. So I'm just going to wait for this to be cool to the touch, and then I'll go ahead and remove my paper. While we wait for the other canvas to cool down, I wanted to show you a rose that I'm painting. That way you could see how it looks after you apply paint. So I already went ahead and applied the Infusible Ink prior to filming this. My canvas has had plenty of time to cool, so I'm going to go ahead and remove the paper now. Now the canvases I used, they're 100% cotton. So the Infusible Ink isn't going to be too vibrant compared to if you pressed it on something that was polyester, but it works great as an outline.